You're watching how to log out linked devices from WhatsApp account. Open the WhatsApp application on your primary phone, the one with your SIM card installed. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner Android or go to the Settings tab iPhone and select Settings. Within Settings, tap on Linked Devices. This will show you a list of all devices currently linked to your WhatsApp account, such as WhatsApp Web on a computer or Companion Mode on another phone. To log out a single device, tap on the specific device name from the list. You will see an option to log out or disconnect. Tap this option and confirm. That specific device will be immediately logged out. To log out from all linked devices at once, while in the Linked Devices menu, look for an option that says Log out from all devices or use WhatsApp on this phone only. Tap this option. A confirmation message will warn you that this will end all WhatsApp web sessions and companion device connections. Confirm by tapping Log out. All other devices will be instantly disconnected. Your primary phone will remain active. This is a key security step if you've lost access to a computer or secondary device. After logging out, you will need to rescan the QR code or set up companion mode again on any device you want to link in the future. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.